Hi students, welcome back to your Pudlas Maths Teachers channel, and today we are going to explain one important topic which is from real numbers. It is also very helpful to you because this method is compulsory given for 4 marks. So just listen carefully. Example 7 I'm explaining. Show that square root 2 is irrational. Okay, this root 2 value, and we are going to prove that it is an irrational value. Okay, so to prove that condition, I'm assuming that root 2 value is rational. Root 2 value is rational. So we have to prove that root 2 is irrational. Just I'm assuming it is irrational, but we have to prove it is irrational. Okay, so let root 2 value is equals to a by b. Why? Because we are considering here root 2 is rational. Rational is always in the form of p by q. That's why I am taking here a p by q form number a by b. Okay, since a by b is in the form of p by q, so a by b is a rational number, and whereas root 2 value is an irrational value because it doesn't have perfect square root. You already know that root 2 is not having any perfect square. That's why root 2 value is irrational. And remember, always it is an irrational value, it is a rational value. Always rational and irrational are not equal to each other. Okay, depending on that condition, we are proving that irrational is always not equals to rational. That's why root 2 is not equals to a by b. So our assumption, what is our assumption? Root 2 is a rational we considered, but here what proved? It is not a rational value. So that's why our assumption is wrong. So root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, so same like example 8, show that 3 root 2 is irrational. In the previous problem only root 2 we are having, but here 3 root 2. Just observe the difference. Okay, so let us consider 3 root 2 is rational. Again same procedure. For to prove that irrational we have to consider rational. Okay, so rational means p by q form number. That's why I am taking a by b value. So 3 root 2 is equals to a by b. I am transposing this 3 to the other side. Here it is in multiplication. By transposing it becomes division. Okay, so root 2 is equals to a by 3 into b. 3 into b, again it becomes 3b. So again this is a p by q form number, rational value. This is a root 2 irrational value, always not equal. So that's where root 2 is not equals to a by 3b. Irrational value is not equals to rational. So our assumption, so what we are assumed, it is a rational. So here proved it is not a rational. So that's why our assumption is wrong. So 3 root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, so example 7 and 8 very easy. Same example 9, see here, show that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Now it is in subtraction value. Okay, one root value is subtraction with a rational value. Okay, so again we have to consider it is a rational. So that's why 5 minus root 3 is equals to a by b. I am transposing root 3 to this side and a by b to this side because to avoid the negative sign I am transposing root 3 to the other side. Okay, so that's why 5 minus a by b, here it comes means minus, is equals to minus root 3 transposing means plus root 3. Okay, again I'm taking LCM here by 1. So LCM b, 5b minus a. So that's why 5b minus a by b is not equals to root 3 because it is a p by q value. It is a root value which is not having perfect square. That's why again irrational value is not equals to rational. So again our assumption, what is our assumption? 5 minus root 3 is rational we consider, no? So that is wrong. So that's why 5 minus root 3 is an irrational number. Okay, so up to here very easy process, but I'm going to next example. It is very difficult, just try to understand because it is an important problem for 4 marks. Okay, see here example 10 I'm going to explain. Prove that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. So we have to prove irrational. What we have to consider again? It is a rational value. So that's why I'm taking a p by q number a by b. So root 2 plus root 3 is equals to a by b. Again I'm transposing root 3 to the other side. Process is very important. Again I'm saying just understand the process. Okay, so root 3, here it is plus value, after transposing it becomes minus. Okay, root 2 is equals to a by b minus root 3. I'm taking squaring on both sides. Remember, if we want to square we have to do the both sides, LHS side and RHS side. That's why squaring on both sides. So here square root 2 whole square is equals to a by b minus root 3 whole square. Okay, here square and root will get cancelled always, and a by b minus root 3 whole square, it is in the form of a minus b whole square, and we have to expand in that formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, next here the value is 2 is equals to a square a by b whole square minus 2 into a by b into root 3 plus root 3 whole square. Okay, so a by b whole square means a square by b square, and here also square and root will get cancelled, remaining 3 value, and finally 2 is equals to a square by b square minus 2 root 3 a by b plus 3. I am transposing this 2 root 3 to this side because we have to prove root value is not equals to rational value. So that's why in this expansion root value is only this term. So that's why root value we are transposing to the other side. Okay, so here minus 2 root 3 a by b, it becomes plus 2 root 3 a by b is equals to, and remaining as it is, a square by b square plus 3 here, and 2 after transformation it becomes minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 2 1. Again I am taking LCM here, a square plus b square by b square. Okay, so except this root 3, remaining terms 2 and a by b I am transposing to the other side. Root 3 is equals to a square plus b square by b square, this is as it is, into here a by b is there, after transposition becomes reciprocal b by a, and 2 is in multiplication, here transposition multiplication, division, sorry. Okay, so b by 2a, again bb will get cancelled, remaining terms a square plus b square by b into 2a, so 2ab here. Okay, root 3 is not equals to a square plus b square by 2ab, because it is a p by q form which is rational value. Here it is a root 3 value, irrational value, always not equal. So our assumption is wrong. Finally root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational value, hence proved. Okay, depending on the 4 examples, I am giving homework problems from exercise 1.4. Prove that the following are irrational: 1 by root 2, root 3 plus root 5, 6 plus root 2, root 5, and 3 plus 2 root 5. Okay, do careful. Okay, and one of the important problem from exercise 4 1.4, question number 2, same like previous example 10, but here the digits are in alphabets. Okay, root p plus root q is an irrational. Procedure is same. From the question we have to prove that root p plus root q is an irrational, but we have to consider it is a rational number, means either p by q or a by b, anything we can take, but here already p q's are there, so that's why I am taking a by b. So transposing q to the other side, squaring on both sides, again expanding in the a minus b whole square formula, transposing the root value to the other side, taking LCM, and finally we will get not equal value, because a p by q value is there and one irrational value is there, so not equal value. Finally our assumption is wrong, and root p plus root q is an irrational number. Okay, just try to understand the procedure whatever I explained here. Very important problem, and practice very well. Okay, and in the next video we'll continue the important topics. Okay, just try to understand easily and follow my channel. Okay, thank you.